Alright guys, so I've got this part complete. This is the Y-axis extension. You can see that originally we had it chucked up this direction in that 4-jaw over there, and my intent was to show you guys the process of flipping it around and getting it perfect in there, which I did, and you can see that it's a seamless transition between what I had turned off, and then when I flipped it around, I was able to line it up with this just import 4-jaw chuck there and get it close enough to where you can't really detect anything by feel. I did use my micrometer, my 4 to 5 inch micrometer, to measure the OD of this, and shaved it down there. We're within a couple 10,000ths of an inch. You legitimately can't feel anything here. That little line you see there is actually from the dial indicator where I was truing off of. But I'm gonna verbally go through this really quick. Not gonna go through the whole process, but basically I had it going this direction, and then when I wanted to rotate it, I simply loosened the jaws, I flipped it around, and then I took a parallel and I put that in there, and I used some of this paper to protect my new finish. That parallel, since the other side had already been faced off true, allowed me to get this fitted up in there nice. And then I snugged up my jaws and slipped the parallel out. And then I went through the same process I did earlier with the dial indicator, and I set that up and then just trued the jaws up. And I trued that on the surface that was here, the one that I had turned already. So when I had it this way, I cut up to about here or so, and then flipped it around, and that's where I put my dial indicator. You can see the line, and that's what I trued it off of, the part that I had already turned down. Because if I would have just used the outside of this one, then these two wouldn't necessarily match. And had I not put that parallel in there to true this thing up, I would not have had this bore aligned properly, and then you would just, it would have been screwed up. Sorry for not having the video. The problem was my iPhone had no memory left, and I was deleting every video I could in the past and trying to make room for it, and I couldn't even transfer them to my laptop because my laptop was full, and so were all my terabyte hard drives. Everything was full of memory because I make too many videos and take too many photos of things, and so I actually went out and bought a 4 terabyte external hard drive today so I can make more videos for you guys. And yeah, anyway, so that's the update on here. This is not done. I've got some more stuff to do to it, and you will be kept in the loop.